Easy side hustles from home. Here are 5 simple ways you can start earning extra money right from your couch today. What if I told you you could start making extra money from your couch? No commute, no boss hovering over your shoulder, no fancy degree required, just your determination and a bit of your time. Right now, 37% of US workers already have a side hustle, and another 35% are thinking about starting one. So if you've been curious, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're breaking down 5 easy side hustles from home that you can start today. Let's jump in. 1. Turn your phone into a moneymaker. Be honest, how much time do you spend on your phone every day? What if some of that scrolling actually paid you? Platforms like KashKick let you earn rewards for playing mobile games, trying new apps, taking surveys, and more. It's free to join, and once you hit the $10 minimum, you can cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or even donate it. No selling, no awkward pitches, just your phone and a few spare minutes. If you want the lowest barrier to entry possible, this is it. Number 2, take online surveys to earn extra rewards. Companies are obsessed with your opinion. Before they launch products, ads, even new snacks, they test them on people like you. Survey sites like KashKick pay you to answer questions about shopping habits. You can share your opinions on everything from TV shows and travel to your favorite food. It's simple, fun, and rewards you for your perspective. Will it replace a full-time job? No, but it's a great start. But is it perfect for waiting rooms and couch time? Absolutely. 3. Create and sell an online course. Do people always ask you for advice about something? We're talking about anything you're good at, whether it's cooking, budgeting, fitness, or graphic design. There's a market for almost every skill. Everything you know can become valuable course material. You can record simple videos with your phone, upload them to platforms like Udemy. This creates a truly scalable system where you can sell your knowledge over and over again, building a semi-passive stream of income. This takes effort up front, but later, it can become a semi-passive income. Coming in at number 4 is the power of affiliate marketing. This one is powerful and can scale incredibly well. Affiliate marketing is a powerful loop where you recommend products you love and earn a commission on every single sale, and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. You can do this on a blog, TikTok, YouTube, email newsletters. Amazon and Rakuten make it easy to get started. The secret? Only recommend what you actually believe in. Building trust is everything, because trust equals money here. 5. Freelance writing or editing. If you enjoy writing, this can pay really well. Businesses constantly need blog posts, website copy, from professional emails to engaging social captions. You can start with just 2 to 3 writing samples in a Google Doc. Beginner rates often range from 5 cents to 20 cents per word, and that increases with experience. This is one of the more scalable options on this list. There has never been a better time to start your journey. You don't need a degree, thousands of dollars, 40 extra hours a week. You just need to start. Momentum beats perfection every time. And who knows, your little side hustle today could become something way bigger tomorrow. If you're looking for something you can start today, KashKick stands out as one of the strongest overall options. Try KashKick today and start earning from it.